Heat of vaporization we talked about. Fuel vaporization is beneficial in engine because it cools the incoming charge, analogous to running on a much cooler day. So when you have knock happen, you have this ignition ahead of the flame front, two things have to happen there. One, you have to have some time for that to happen. And then also, one of the reasons it happens is because it's getting so hot. So if you have a fuel that helps cool the charge, helps cool things, you're going to be less susceptible to do that. Like we were talking about earlier, when you put it on the back of your hand and you blow, the air temperature that's going into the engine is particularly important when you're running boosted engines. If you can cool that down, not only with an intercooler, but also with vaporization of the fuel, which is key to the performance levels that you get, that's going to benefit you greatly. So like it says here, ethanol has nearly 3 times the heat of vaporization of gasoline, providing greater cooling and enhancing the already excellent octane characteristics. Now, when an octane rating is done by the rating society, that's done at a fixed inlet charge temperature. So you're not getting to take advantage of some of the benefits that ethanol offers as far as charge cooling goes. So just looking at octane really understates the benefits that you'll get from ethanol from a knock perspective. And finally, power also increases with the cooler intake charge because the density increases. What produces power from the engine is the mass of air and the mass of fuel you can put in there, not the volume. So the cooler it is, the more mass you're going to be able to stuff in there.